2018 Ford C-Max Hybrid Review. The C-Max Hybrid is versatile and enjoyable to operate a vehicle, though fuel economy is underwhelming. Born in the size-sensitive European market, where even compacts must haul families and cargo, the Ford C-Max packs lots of capability into its small size. It has a slight crossover-like checkout it. However, it's more accurate to think about it as a tight wagon or hatchback that's adequate enough for large tasks yet small, easy to manage for around-town driving. This generation C-Max had been online for a while, however, there is still a great like, including refined ride and handling and also a comfortable interior done up in high-quality materials. A 2.0-litre engine and electric motor combined to make 188 horsepower and approximately 40 miles per gallon in combined city and highway driving. You can also obtain a plug-in hybrid version having a larger battery referred to as C-Max Energi. It's worth noting that this C-Max hybrid's powertrain doesn't deliver fuel economy up to the MPG figures from some new arrivals. The latest Prius returns around 56 miles per gallon. One example is, along with the high-end Ioniq tops out at 58 miles per gallon. Kia's new Niro, that includes a body design just like the C-Max, also bests it, which has a 50 miles per gallon for most buyers, though the 2018 Ford C-Max Hybrid should serve well being a versatile and reasonably efficient vehicle. What's new? The Ford C-Max Hybrid is unchanged for 2018. For the most beneficial bang for your buck, the 2018 Ford C-Max Hybrid's C trim. It's the entry-level trim, so it is a good way to go if you wish to keep your payments low. Ford offers almost all from the C-Max higher-end features as options, so you're able to equip it with a lot more if you want. Either way, Perform recommend getting option group 201A, which offers the desirable Sync 3 infotainment system, smartphone integration, a more substantial 8-inch display, an energy liftgate and rear parking sensors. Trim levels and features. The 2018 Ford C-Max Hybrid can be a 5-passenger wagon easily obtainable in 2 trim levels. The C is priced for that budget-minded, but it is still very functional. Titanium models feature luxury accoutrements. A plug-in hybrid version, the Ford C-Max Energi, is reviewed separately. No matter which C-Max variant you acquire, it'll come which has a 2.0-litre 4-cylinder gasoline engine combined with an electric motor powered by way of a lithium-ion power supply. Combined output is 188 horsepower. Power might be sent to the top wheels by having a continuously variable automatic transmission CVT. The same model's report on standard equipment includes 17-inch alloy wheels, dual-zone automatic climate control, an electricity adjustable driver seat, a 6040 split folding rear seat, a leather-wrapped tilt-telescoping tire, a rear-view camera, a 110-volt, household-style power outlet, Bluetooth, voice commands, a 4.2-inch central computer screen, smartphone app integration including Pandora Internet Radio, and also a 6-speaker sound system having a CD player, a USB interface and satellite radio. Major option is now grouped into packages, beginning from the C Driver Assist package that bundles an electrical liftgate, rear parking sensors, and also the Sync 3 interface having an 8-inch touch screen, Android Auto, Apple CarPlay with an extra USB port. The C Comfort package adds heated mirrors, leather seating upholstery, an electric adjustable front passenger seat and heated front seats. Alternately, go with the cold weather package for only the heated mirrors and heated front seats. A panoramic glass roof, keyless entry keypad along with a navigation system are offered as standalone options. The titanium model adds fog lights, automatic wipers, the heated mirrors and seats, leather upholstery, the power-adjustable front passenger seat, keyless ignition and entry, remote start, ambient lighting, an auto-dimming rear-view mirror, along with a premium Sony stereo audio with 9 speakers and HD radio. The titanium driver assist package incorporates front parking sensors, a hands-free liftgate, a blind spot monitoring system and automated parallel parking. The panoramic glass roof, a keyless entry keypad as well as a voice-controlled navigation system can be obtained as standalone options likewise. Trim tested. Each vehicle typically can be purchased in multiple versions that happen to be fundamentally similar. The S with this review provide our full test on a 2013 Ford C-Max Hybrid 2.0 litres inline-4 hybrid, CVT automatic, FWD. Note, since this test was conducted, the existing C-Max has brought some revisions centered around the infotainment system with Sync 3. Our findings remain broadly applicable to the present year's C-Max Hybrid. Driving. With its strong acceleration, sporty steering and handling, and confident demeanor, the C-Max Hybrid stands out to be a performer in a very class otherwise lacking at pace setter. Acceleration. The C-Max Hybrid accelerates relatively quickly to get a hybrid. In our testing, it accelerated from 0 to 60 miles per hour quantity of 8.1 seconds. Braking. It produces about average stopping distances because of its class, however the non-traditional hybrid braking mechanism takes some practice, especially when inching forward or into a parking space. Steering. Perhaps this is simply not a quality most hybrid buyers value. Nevertheless, the C-Max steering is one of the most effective in its class. It feels natural, precise, engaged and predictable. Drivability. With the exception in the idiosyncratic brakes, the C-Max Hybrid behaves similar to a European-flavored wagon in terms it drives, poised and confident. Comfort. With comfortable seating for 4-5 in the pinch, an organization but controlled ride, as well as a remarkably quiet interior, the C-Max Hybrid comes with a livable replacement for the numb and lifeless hybrids we've grown you may anticipate. Seat comfort. The C-Max provides well-contoured and supportive front seats, optionally heated and cozy adult-size rear seats. The elevated seating position is similar to a tight SUV's. Ride comfort. Ride comfort suffers only slightly due to its responsive handling. We still choose to C-Max sophisticated ride over an isolated and soft suspension. Noise and vibration. The C-Max's interior, it isn't just uncommonly quiet for any hybrid, additionally wagons generally speaking. Fears little powertrain noise and also less wing noise than expected. Interior. With solid construction, eye-catching design and roomy accommodations, the C-Max is really a tough act to conquer in the interior. Ease people. The C-Max provides sound ergonomics and in many cases a couple clever, unexpected features. Getting and jetting out. With large doors and seat heights anywhere between those of a compressed SUV and also a tall wagon, the C-Max is an easy task to access in front or rear. Driving position. The power supply eats up simply a slight quantity of cargo room, not passenger space, which can be generous for adults to all seating positions. Rear-facing child seats are welcome. Visibility. The C-Max has good sight lines and outstanding outward visibility, especially outleading. Quality. We just like the C-Max tight body gaps and solid interior quality. Utility. Due to your drive batteries, the C-Max rear load floor is high. Fears only 24.5 cubic feet of cargo capacity behind the back seats. However, you can fold down a corner seats to get yourself a maximum of 52.6 cubic feet of space. Technology. The C-Max includes Sync 3, that's an easy-to-use infotainment system that has Apple or Android smartphone integration. The C-Max lacks the most recent driver safety aids, however, and you'll only get blind spot monitoring around the titanium trim.
Yeah.